Welcome to our Drive Chat video interview number 40 in the series. Today we have the privilege of being able to have a discussion, conversation, let's put it that way, with Natasha Moreira, who's product head at FMB Fleet Services. Now, FMB have been a headline partner for our Fleet Safety Awards. This is the second year running. So it's actually a pleasure to have a chat with you, because I do trust that your business quadrupled after last year's event. Now, seriously, let's just talk about some facets that your participation in our awards brings to the fore. FMB has now supported this last year and this year. How does this help your client base understand that FNB is more than just about money? It actually helps them run better businesses.
Thank you for your question. So by supporting an event that ultimately champions safety, it reinforces, that safe operations are also profitable operations. I think if I just reflect, a strong safety culture also reduces things like downtime, lowers maintenance costs, and enhances the reliability, just to name a few. And all of this ultimately improves a company's bottom line. And supporting this event is also our way of highlighting that safety isn't just a compliance tick box exercise. Okay. It's also a smart business strategy that should be adopted.
In fact, if I pick up on your words there's a slogan. It's a European company. It says, road safety is good business. And I think it really speaks to the nature of your involvement. Now, when we look at participants, and this is our fourth year running, we recognized, or there was 110 participants in the first year. I won't tell you the exact number. That we'll reveal on the day. But this year, we set as a target 500. We've exceeded that, Natasha? So we'll share the good news with you later. So besides recognition, if a company has participated, how does this help them grow their business, in your opinion?
So I think winning an award like this definitely provides powerful third-party validation of FNB's commitment to, I guess, the overall excellence and responsibility. It further builds trust with our customers, suppliers, financial partners. But I think most importantly for me, it also inspires our internal pride. And it further motivates our teams to continue thriving for those high standards. And I think just in ending of that one, this kind of recognition has almost a ripple effect that expands quite far beyond just the award.
Absolutely. I must just tell you, first year, we gave away 10,000 Rand as a prize to the winner of the fleet manager. And we thought we were doing great. This year, we're giving away a total of 250,000 Rand. And what's ironical about it, Natasha? When we offer this, people, by the way, the winning fleet manager gets 90,000 Rand. And when we go through the forms for them to enter, there's got to be some criteria. You mean it's going to take me 20 minutes to complete this when they stand the chance of winning 90,000? But in any case, most of them have fallen in with us, and they're in the spirit of things. Just when you finance vehicles, whether it's an outright purchase or a full maintenance lease, does any aspect of safety come into your factoring of whether or not you make money available?
So I think a client's safety record is definitely a key indicator of how responsibly they manage their operations internally. Okay. I think from a financial perspective, a strong safety track record often signals lower operational risk. But it also suggests a bit of a long-term mindset, which definitely aligns with, responsible borrowing and sustainable growth.
Thank you for answering it in that way, because, sometimes people think a bank is just a bank. They don't look at the external features and facets of running a business. So that kind of brings me to the penultimate question is, when you think about FNB, it's acting responsibly for that which contributes toward the growth of the economy, which is our vehicles on the roads. So what do you think other responsible businesses should and could do to improve road safety standards in South Africa?
I think as FNB, our commitment to fleet safety definitely extends beyond, your traditional banking services. And I think we recognize that fleet is not only like a matter of corporate responsibility, but it's also a critical factor in business continuity and economic stability for South Africa. And our support of these awards, reflects our broader commitment to responsible and sustainable business in South Africa. And it's a signal to the market ultimately that responsibility and profitability go hand in hand. And I think we're quite proud to back that message.
Yeah, it's interesting that you should say that. Many times when we speak to people about licenses, I don't know if you're aware of the fact that probably 50% of licenses have been obtained fraudulently. And then those people who do get their license, they think it's their right to use the road, when in actual fact, you get a license, you now have a responsibility to yourself and to other road users. And at a corporate level, we certainly think that should be the case. Any parting words you'd like to leave for your client base or anybody who's going to participate? We'd love to hear your input.
So just thank you for having me, and good luck to all our fellow participants, and just thank you for all the support within FNB.
And Natasha, that was Natasha Barrera, the product head at FNB Fleet Services. So this brings to a conclusion our Drive Chat number 40. We look forward to seeing you on the 29th of October, which is at the end of the month. And that will be where we will reveal not only the fleet manager who scores highest, but responsible fleets as well. And we know that you're going to be there with us, Natasha. So put on your talking tongs and we're going to have you on platform. So thank you very much. And thanks to FNB for their participation. Take care.
Awesome stuff. Thank you.